In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Turtle Beach Stealth 600 to phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, the Stealth 600 is a multi-platform headset. You will be able to connect these different headsets to your PC, Xbox, or PlayStation consoles through various ways, usually by syncing them up with either a provided USB wireless adapter or by using a proprietary connection mode by pressing the physical button. The difficulty with connecting it to your phone is that they don't feature standard Bluetooth, so you will need to use a specific adapter. So as you can see, some generations of the Stealth 600 feature this USB adapter. Even though your phone does not have a USB-A port, you will still be able to use an adapter to get this connected to your phone. So you have to find a way to plug this wireless transmitter into your mobile device. So an example, if you have an iPhone with a Lightning port, is that you would have to get a Lightning to USB-A adapter. If you have a phone with a USB-C port, you will have to get a USB-C to USB-A port and so on. So essentially, you just have to purchase the correct adapter that allows you to connect this wireless transmitter into your phone. Once it is properly connected, you will be able to power on the headset and it will automatically pair itself up with the wireless transmitter. So you will be able to listen to all of the audio being output on your mobile device through the Turtle Beach headset. Like I said, the only way to do this is if you are able to connect the USB-A wireless dongle into the mobile device. So because no phone or at least modern phone will have the USB-A port, you will need to use the proper adapter to get this connected. But as soon as it is connected and you power on the headset, you will be able to use it completely wirelessly. So purchase the corresponding adapter, plug it in, using it, and you will be able to use your Turtle Beach Stealth 600. Besides this method, you will not be able to pair it over Bluetooth, like I said, because it doesn't have the feature. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Turtle Beach Stealth 600 to phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.